This is Gbpjpy on today is 13th of July 2026. So on Gbpjpy, although we can see from daily time frame that this market is in an uptrend, as you can see with this flow here. So but here is something to pay attention to. Normally this market is supposed to continue going up from either this resistance turning into support, doing something like this, or it comes down to this other block here, this bearish candle here. There's another block and continue going up. But if we go to the 4-hour, we can see that when market tapped into that zone, it acted like it wanted to go up, although we've switched to a bearish trend on the 4-hour. Acted like it wants to go up, then came and broke that low, showing that there's intentions of going lower. Even if it's going to continue higher, it wants to go a bit lower before continuing the bullish trend. So what I'm following now is the 4-hour trend. Now on the 4-hour, let me delete this. On the 4-hour, why I wouldn't take this trade here is because I want to confirm if this particular trade I'm talking about, not this one I'm going to analyze now. Why I wouldn't take this one is because I will have to confirm from this low if the market wants to continue going up, because it could continue going up from here, but once it breaks below, shows that there is less bullish strength and the market wants to go lower before continuing up, or sometimes even reverse totally. So getting to the trade of today. Now, as you can see, that low has been broken. Since this low has been broken, this low that is supposed to be a catalyst for us to continue the uptrend has been broken. Now it shows it wants to go lower. Now we've tapped into that other block, as you can see. Tapped into the other block, as you can see, and we have created a bearish candle. We've created the retracement candles and we've created a bearish candle here. So this trade, I decided to leave it till this week, so I'll see how this candle forms. So for the people who trade CROT, you can see the CROT forming here in another block, so it's very high probability. So what do I do next from here? So from the 4-hour now, I've gotten everything I want from the 4-hour, and I'll label this because this is a resistance. This bullish candle and this bearish candle has created the resistance, so I'll label it as bearish. This is where I want to see bearish price action from. So go to the 1-hour. So on the 1-hour, we can see this bullish here. You might be asking, what's this bullish doing here? This bullish is a place where bulls are present in this bearish market, where bulls are likely to push the market from. So that's why I label this place bullish. So what I'm expecting is just something like a replica of what happened between the daily and the 4-hour time frame. Now this low is supposed to push this market up, but this low is supposed to, when the market taps into this low, as you can see, that's the support. It's supposed to continue going higher, right? But I'll be waiting if something like this happens. Now we'll go to the 15 minutes to see to see how the market is going to disrespect this place. So when you disrespect that, I'll wait for a pullback to take my trade, as you can see on the 15 minutes here. So that's it.